The more we share, the more we have.
If you want to take out loans, the group has to decide after a few months, and they have to adapt their rules.
The group members need to ask for a loan, and all the participants of the group have to approve this loan. Before that, they have agreed in the repayment timings.
Pero es una decisión tomada con todos los miembros. Y yo creo que esa hace parte como de la democratización del mismo grupo solidario, ¿no?
A member of the saving body can take a loan out when they are needed, actually, to pay for equipment or they need the loan for different things.
Il GIC funziona anche come prestito sociale. Il prestito funziona nel senso che se c'è qualcuno che ha bisogno in quel momento di avere una somma di denaro liquido disponibile senza ricorrere a enti ufficiali di banche eccetera eccetera, con tutte le difficoltà del caso, può chiedere un finanziamento, un prestito vero e proprio agli altri soci del GIC che deliberano se effettuarlo questo prestito oppure no.
So on requirements to take out a loan for group members, certainly there are a number of requirements. First of all, the respective group member would have to have saved up a certain saving amount already. Basically just to show to the group that yes, I can save and yes, I can deal with money, and yes, I can show you that if I take out a loan, I'm able to come back with the money to you and repay. There is rules on what could be a minimum requirement or a maximum amount of loan, but it's always at the discretion of the group to decide in the specific case of this loan request what can be the amount and how it's to be repaid in order to kind of make it fit and make sure that everyone, including the loan taker and the group members, feel okay when this loan is granted.
L'entità del prestito assomma a una cifra non superiore a 3 volte la cifra risparmiata dal socio che ne fa richiesta. C'è un limite massimo per la restituzione di 2 o 3 mesi, si decide poi in assemblea, e non ci sono interessi per la restituzione.
Then we recommend that a group member cannot take a loan, a larger amount than 3 times their savings. And some groups, they say, no, we find that too much. So they say 2 times, others say, well, we allow 4 times. It can be with interest or without interest, whatever the group decides.
We didn't consider any interest at the beginning, but we were discussing this maybe in the future to use it in for us to do some events or whatever.
Some groups want to have an interest rate for the benefit of the group. Some other groups, because of the religions of some of the members, they do not want to have interest rates, so they don't do loans with interest.
The records at saving groups are kept in different ways. So the most kind of typical and most safe way is to keep them on paper. So to have kind of pre-printed paper forms where you just fill in each meeting all the participants who are there, or the saving amount collected, any loans taken out or any loan repayments coming in, and kind of that is a standard.
La contabilità, noi ci abbiamo dei verbali, dei fogli dove registriamo tutto, poi c'è la segretaria, c'è il contabile, c'è anche la signora che mette, c'è anche il preside che mettono tutto per scritto.
What saving groups can also do is they can use an online tool.
We work with an online platform which name is Common, where we register all the members of the group, and then we register the money that comes in the box and the money that goes out for loans. Every meeting we register everything.
Another option also is to just keep it more flexible, just to work with your own tools. For example, you can just create an Excel tool and put in the information that you want to collect. But certainly what is most important is that all members of the group will have access to these tools, to this documentation, and all members will also understand this documentation.
El grupo de ahorro me ha sido útil en muchas situaciones y uno que puedo destacar es cuando he hecho mi primera matrícula en la Universidad de Barcelona, que no llegaba, y he pedido un crédito que me ha permitido llevar a cabo esta matrícula.
A última vez foi para comprar a máquina de lavar roupa.
I used to buy 3 sewing machines. I used to buy like different kind of materials that we use to make clothes.